Okay, today we're going to look at how to graph a simple linear equation. And the equation we'll look at today is y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now when you graph a linear equation, you typically start with the y-intercept. And in this case, the y-intercept is 1. Now, the way to remember that is to look at the standard form, which is typically called the slope-intercept form. M is the slope, this is the slope, and then B is the y-intercept. So if you compare these two equations, you can see that the 1 matches up with the B, so 1 is B. So we're going to start there. So let's get our x and y axis drawn. This is our y axis. And then we will also draw our x axis. So this is x, and this is y. So 1 is our y-intercept, so that means the linear equation, or the line, is going to be crossing or intercepting the y-axis at 1. So this is our y-axis, and so it's going to be crossing, and when I say the linear equation, the line will be crossing the y-axis or intercepting the y-axis at 1. So we will label that as 1. And so we have our first point on our line, on our linear equation. And the ordered pair for that is 0, 1. So the next thing we do is we look at the slope. And our slope for the linear equation is m. And again, you can kind of see how that matches up with the slope-intercept standard form, y is equal to mx plus b. And matching that up, you can see that 2 is m. So what does that mean? M is equal to 2. And if I was going to write that as a fraction, that's actually equal to 2 over 1. Now, what is the definition of slope? Slope is equal to rise over run, which means we're going to rise 2 and we're going to run 1. So you can start from any point, and we're going to start from this point, 0, 1. We're going to rise 2, so we're going to go up 2 spaces, 2 units to 3. So we go 2, 3, and then we're going to run 1. So we're going to run over in the x direction 1 spot, and that puts us at 1, 3. So again, we rose 2 spots, and then we ran 1 spot in the x direction. So now that we have 2 points, we can graph. We have enough information to graph our line. So we will start here at 0, 1, and then we will draw our line up through here. And we want to make it go in the other direction as well, because this line is infinite in both directions. And then we're done. And this line is y is equal to 2x plus 1.